Hi, my name is Philippe and I'm a massage therapist and a health coach here in Encinitas, California, and I'm making this video here for you if you have elbow pain. So in that video, what we're gonna do is very simple, gentle, holistic health type approach, which is things you can do at home with just you, and that's pretty good. One of the movements for elbow pain is very simple, is to actually not shy away from movement. So if you have some elbow pain, don't try to just pretend to not move it ever again. That feels better, but in the long term, it will create some atrophy, some guarding mechanism, some contraction everywhere else, and it's not gonna be fun ride. So first of all, try to just gently open and close your arm. That will provide a little bit of lubrication in the joint, and that is good. If it feels too much, then go gentler, slower, less, but don't shy away from movement. Number two is a movement that we did in the wrist video, but that also helps a lot for the elbow joint. For the elbow joint, we're gonna do it a little bit differently. We're gonna do some jiggly-do on that movement. So you're gonna hold your arm and you're gonna move your elbow in and out. So you're kind of pinning down the whole arm with this. Instead, if it'll move like that, and you will not have any traction here at the elbow joint. So I'm gonna bend it a little bit, not too much, not too little, a little bit. And then as I'm holding and pinning the hand upward, I'm gonna move my elbow in and out to create a little bit of resistance strengthening in the elbow junction. So it creates a little bit of that twist counter force on both sides, which is very nice. Another movement that is based and very close to that one is simply to hold your arm again or your wrist and to get into an external rotation. So here, this hand will resist gently inward, and that hand, the underhand, will resist gently outward. And it's a gentle tug of war, very gentle. And you get into an arm straight this time. Look at my shoulder is high, and progressively you lower it. When you do that little movement, you will feel a sensation of stretch alongside the line of the elbow, under in the forearm or above on the biceps. These very gentle movement can help and go a long way for the elbow pain. Sometimes just keep in mind, we are always in that situation, or very often in that situation. Like I said in a previous video, it's kind of like the T-Rex position. Tiny arm, right? Bent, rotated, palm down. So our elbow joint is challenged. It's working really hard and it needs a timeout. And that's what pain can be signaling to you. So when that happens, that's why you're doing those little movements. So if you're a gamer, if you're a computer guy, or if you are just feeling that, so I did on a previous video someone on a violin, if it's that elbow, you might feel it, because sometimes the violin, you get into that awkward position. But any instrument for that matter, where you start to feel it, it will be useful. Start with a little bit of movement, then get into some jiggly-do, and then try to do an external internal rotation with resistance. That, my friend, can help you feel a little better, and that's the beginning of health. That's when you start to take some proactive action and feel empowered, and then you gain ownership over your health. So I hope this video is useful for you. Comment below, subscribe, more video coming up on the shoulder and neck pain so that you can get healthier and healthier. I hope to talk to you soon. Bye!